everybody, it's me, Mary. I just wanted to come to you today because Impact Mailing Club, I'm not sure if you know anything about it, but it's a direct mail opportunity where it's a business that you can work from home. They are having a promotion, and it does end at the end of the month, and I want to tell you a little about Impact Mailing Club today, and let you know about the bonuses and how you can get started if you're looking to work from home. Like I said, this is a direct mail opportunity. With things that are going on in the world today with the virus, people losing their jobs, having to look for work from home, this is a perfect opportunity for anybody that is wanting some information or wanting to start a direct mail business from home, or any type of business from home, and for that fact. But anyway, I wanted to go over Impact Mailing Club. It is a direct mail opportunity business. This is my website. I'm just going to kind of give you an overview of it. With this Impact Mailing Club, we do have some team bonuses, and those would be listed in this video. I'm not going to go over the bonuses now, but the important thing is I just want to give you a quick overview of Impact Mailing Club and help you get started if we can. So right here it says choose your earning potential. You choose how much you want to get paid. That puts you in full control of your income. You can build a comfortable side income from vacations, paying extra bills, or you could use the income to get out of your job. It all depends on what you want to do as far as running your business and how much income potential you're looking at making. Next thing you would want to do when you join this club is you want to download your money-making letter. This is what you're going to mail out to people or promote to get people interested in learning how they can do this from home. And then when you get that done, you just check your mailbox for your first payment. That's always the exciting part, is going to your mailbox and seeing that you've got cash in the mail. New signups, people that are interested in getting started with a direct mail home business. Here are some testimonials from people that have made quite a bit of income from direct mail business. Each one of these testimonials, these are people that are actually working from home, doing direct mail. They show proof of income. They show their stories. They show how you can create this income if you're interested. And it's a really exciting program. It's simple. You just mail a postcard, put a stamp on it, put a label on it, throw it in the mailbox. You can print flyers off, put them in an envelope, this address label on it, put a stamp on it, put it in the mailbox, and wait for it to come back. It's that simple. This is Amanda Ray. She's my sponsor. She's got a lot of videos with a lot of proof of how simple this program is. What you don't need is you don't need business experience, technical skills, large networks. You don't need to talk to strangers. You don't need to figure out this program alone. We've got all kinds of people that are willing to help you. We've got all kinds of support. If you have a desire to get results, this program will work good for you. If you're motivated to take action, you're able to follow these simple steps. You have at least 1 hour per day to work on this business, and you have an address with a mailbox. Those are some of the things that you need when you get started with this program. If you're ready to get started, you would always just click this Now button. I'm going to go ahead and show you what my flyer looks like. This allows you to unlimited payments of $65 to $1,000 for each member. This is just a quick overview of my PDF file. We have 4 different levels I take that back. We have 5 different levels you can join at. The first one is the Emerald. It'll cost you $100 and 2 books of stamps to get started with this one. The next is the Ruby. The cost is $250 and 4 books of stamps. We have the Sapphire, which is $500 and 4 books of stamps. Diamond, that's going to cost $2,000 and 5 books of stamps. And they do have the Double Diamond, which costs $4,000, and it will allow you to earn $2,000 when people join that level. So with this promotion that they have going on right now, when you come in at the Ruby level, the Sapphire, or the Diamond level, you're automatically going to get bumped up to the next level for free, which means if you come in at the Ruby level, you'll be bumped up to Sapphire, where you can earn $500, or excuse me, where you can earn $300 cash, and that way you're not being left behind if people join at a higher level. You would automatically get bumped up when you, like I said, when you join the Ruby level, you'll get bumped up to Sapphire level. And then that way, you're just paying the difference if you want to join to a higher level. But with this promotion that we have going on, you come in at Ruby, you get bumped up to Sapphire. You come at Sapphire, you get bumped up to Diamond. You join Diamond, you get bumped up to Double Diamond. So this is a great opportunity to save you money with the automatic upgrade to the next level. And your earning potentials could be out of the sky with this promotion that's going on. So the promotion does end at the end of March. They have extended it twice now, but with the hardship and things going on right now, they wanted to offer people a little bit more time to go ahead and get on board with this program. But it is an amazing program. What you would do if you want to get started is just print off this flyer. You're going to make 3 copies. First one you're going to send to the person that invited you. Next one's going to go to their sponsor. And then the third box is going to be the company. And with this, you'll send, if you join the Emerald, you'll send $65 cash, 1 book of stamps, and a copy of this letter to the person in box 1. You'll send $20 cash and 1 book of stamps and a copy of this letter to the recipient in box 2. And then the third one is you'll send $15 cash and to the administrative in box 3, and that's to get you started. So I hope you take advantage of this bonus that they have going on. They don't do upgrades or promotions very often, but when they do, it is the best time to join and take advantage of everything that they're offering you. So if you're interested in getting started with this, I'd be happy to bring you aboard. I can send you my link. You can go over the website, and like I said, this is the website of mine. I'll have you review it. You can just check it over, and if this is something that looks interesting or something you'd like to do, just get back with me. I can add you to our Facebook group. We have ongoing support. This company has been around. It'll be coming up on a year here real soon. The owners are really transparent. They tell you exactly like it is, what you can expect, how to promote. There's all kinds of support. It's just an awesome group to get started with. So I'm looking forward to helping you. And if you have any questions, just feel free to get back with me, and we'll get you started. Thanks, and you have a great day.